Hi superstars, you're welcome to another video. Okay, so in this video I'll be doing preparations for storage. For those of you who want to start palm oil storage business in Nigeria, join me as I prepare for palm oil storage business. Okay, so you need to know that before storing your palm oil in your jerry cans, you need to prepare your jerry can, because if you pour your oil into a bad jerry can, it will destroy the quality of the palm oil. No matter how good the palm oil was, no matter how delicious it was, once it's poured into a bad jerry can, a jerry can with a foul odor, with a bad odor or strong scent, it will destroy the taste of the palm oil. So my superstars, I had stored palm oil and left the jerry can empty for a while, so I want to prepare the jerry can ahead of storage. Few weeks from now, storage will be in full swing. The price of palm oil is gradually dropping, my superstars, so I need to be prepared so that once they said go, I'm like on your marks right now, so once they say go I'll take off. Okay, so my superstars, join me as I prepare my jerry cans for storage. I'll be showing you what to do, how to do to prepare your jerry cans for storage. As you can see, I'm already boiling water on fire using a firewood because I don't want to finish my gas, my superstars. This jerry can is quite much. I had washed some earlier and I was like, oh, I need to carry you guys along because not everyone knows what to do or how to go about it. I do see some people bring dirty jerry cans to buy palm oil and later they will complain that the palm oil was bad. It's not the palm oil, it's actually the jerry can. Okay, my superstars, so today we'll be preparing our jerry cans. All right, the water I had used some earlier to wash some jerry cans, so I'll be adding more water to the pot so I can have enough. Meanwhile, here are my jerry cans. I had washed some, so this is what is left. All right, so let's get started. So as of today, okay, my superstar, so before now I had prepared my storage facility. My storage facility is ready for storage. Okay, so the price of palm oil, like I said earlier, is gradually dropping in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo. The price of palm oil as at today is 20,000 naira in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo. Okay, so if you need good palm oil, you can always reach out to me, but if you're going to go into storage, I would advise that you wait a little. Okay, it's gradually dropping. Okay, my superstars, I said I'll carry everyone along. This year I'll be notifying you guys on the price of palm oil so that as many as want to start palm oil storage business can know when to start. Okay, my superstars, so be relaxed, but nevertheless you have to keep looking out for videos and short videos. You need to join us in our live videos to get latest tips and ideas and also updates on palm oil storage business. Okay, my superstars, and because of palm oil, most times I go to the village to source for palm oil, so you forgive me, my superstars, if I can't make it. So it's always hectic. There are days I come back and I'm so exhausted, so please, you bear with me, okay, till this season is gone. Nevertheless, I'll be showing you today how to prepare your jerry cans for storage. Okay, so I had prepared my drums. Right now is my jerry cans I want to prepare. All right, so first you put a pot of water on fire. If you have enough gas, you can use your gas. Place a pot of water or a kettle of water. If you choose to use kettle, is okay, but mine, I'm using firewood and a big pot because I will need a lot of water, hot water, so I chose to use a big pot with firewood so it can boil quickly, and I'll do it as soon as possible and be gone from here. So whatever method you choose to use, it's fine. Okay, so right now a pot of water is boiling on fire. Let me see if it's boiled. Okay, it's almost hot. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so our water is almost hot. When it's hot, I'll come back and show you guys what to do next. Okay, my superstar. So I think the water has boiled right now, so I want to, it's hot. Okay, so we need a hot water for this process. And you'll need a funnel to place in the mouth of your jerry can next to you, so you'll be able to easily scoop the water and place it inside. Okay, so right now I'm going to scoop my hot water from the pot and put it into the jerry can. Okay, you put just enough, but you don't have to add too much. If not, you have to boil a whole lot of water. So just put a little and then you shake. But superstars, this part is quite tedious because you have to shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it down, shake it. So you shake up, shake down, make sure the hot water touches every part of the jerry can. Okay, my superstars, it has melted. It's right here right now, so I don't want to mess up my environment, so I'm going to pour it. Okay, I can pour it into another, if I'm pouring it into another jerry can, so you don't waste water so much. Oh, it's quite tough. Pour it into another jerry can. Wow, it looks good inside. So we are going to add another fresh water and rinse it to be sure that it's clean. Here's the cover. Okay. So this is the final rinse. Shake it. Okay. Make sure the hot water touches every part of the jerry can. All the sides. Okay, so oh, it looks as good as new, my superstars. It looks very clean inside. All right, so that's all there is to it. You don't need to add any detergent to the jerry can, because if you do, it will take a lot of time and energy to rinse it out. Since it's palm oil, okay, it was not that the palm oil was that bad. All you want to do is get rid of the old oil, okay, before placing in the new one. So you don't need to add any detergent to the water. All you need is very good boiled water. Then pour it into your jerry can, shake very well, ensure that you shake and all the oil that was in the jerry can is removed completely. Then you add another one and rinse it. That's just all there is to it. And after rinsing it, my superstars, make sure your jerry can is dry, well dry, before you take it for buying oil. You don't pour in oil into a wet jerry can. Okay, my superstars. All right, so I trust you've learned something amazing, something new and wonderful today, my superstars. All right, so let me know how far you've gone with your preparations for palm oil storage business. If you bought your jerry cans, say I have. Write it in the comment section, I have. If you bought your drums, write it in the comment section, I have. If you have prepared your storage facility, write it in the comment section, I have. And if you're good to go, if you're set, if you're on your mark, ready for go? Write it, I'm ready in the comment section. Okay, my superstars, thank you for always being a part of my videos. I love you, my superstars. Thank you. And if you need any help with Bimbam or from Akwa Ibom State, you can always reach out to me. Okay, my superstars. All right. Till our next video. Always and always remember that I love you. Mwah. Bye, superstars. Let me get back to preparing my joy. See you.